Hi, I'm Muema, and in this video we'll take our inspiration from this a quarter acre plot whose perimeter walls were built using precast concrete wall panels. Watch this video if you're interested to build your upcoming fence using alternative building technologies, and in particular if you would like to use precast concrete wall panels. In my previous videos about precast panels, which I'll link to in the description, I mainly focused on houses. The panels for houses are installed vertically, which is different to how they're installed for a perimeter wall. Here, they are installed horizontally, one on top of the other. As you can see, the length of the panels run across the wall. The length of each panel is 3 meters, which enables it to cover a wider area in a single panel. This saves on time because it only takes a single panel to cover 3 meters. In comparison, it would take significantly longer to put up stone blocks to cover the same area a single 3-meter precast panel does. So if time is important to you, then precast panels offer an advantage over stone blocks. The width of each panel is 60 centimeters or 2 feet wide. And as you can see, 4 panels have been used to build this wall, bringing the total height to 8 feet or 2.4 meters. Precast panels have interlocking grooves, which helps them connect seamlessly to each other. You can see the interconnection between each panel by this thin line. To hide the connection line, cement paste is used, which forms a seamless transition between the panels. At intervals of 3 meters, steel columns are put in place. They are embedded inside the foundation and are installed before the panels. There are 3 steel columns in place. The first one is the left C channel, the one in the middle is called a hollow steel column, and the third one is the right C channel. The hollow steel column is the one that is firmly and permanently attached to the wall's foundation. The left and right C sections are the ones that hold the panels in place. They're called steel C sections because they resemble the letter C. Once the 3 steel sections are welded together, it's only a matter of sliding the panels in between the C sections. The foundation is built using foundation stones using the normal masonry process. Concrete is then poured to give a firm base for the panels. Since precast panels have hollow sections, they're not as heavy as stone blocks. That means you don't need deep foundations to support your perimeter wall. Also, the panels have steel tendons embedded inside, which greatly help in reducing cracks on your walls. The steel also adds strength to the panels. So this was a quarter acre plot, and the number of panels that were used to fence the entire perimeter wall was 154 panels. For an eighth of an acre, you can approximately use 136 panels. For half an acre, about 316 panels are used. The choice of finishing the wall is up to you to decide. You can paint the walls as soon as you install them, do stone cladding using mazeras, or whatever finishing you like. If you'd like to get in touch with the contractor behind this project, I've left his contacts in the description below. Also, you'll find contacts to Square Apple, the company that makes the precast concrete wall panels, in the description box as well. I hope this video has been of help to you, especially if you're thinking about building your upcoming fence using precast concrete wall panels. And if you'd like to learn more about precast concrete wall panels, then watch the following video.